Okay, it's just a quick demonstration. We've put a new steering servo in, so that's all working completely normal. You've got your ball raced servo on the brake linkage here. It's an ultra high torque, and we've got absolutely no fuel, so you can see a true cold start. I'm just going to put a drop of premix in there and show you how to start this thing up. So we're going to pump the primer bulb until we've got fuel there. Choke lever down, and the idea of this, so I'm led to believe, is to do this until the engine begins to fire. So with the help of my assistant, so that would be choke off. You heard it just took then, and we'll now fire no throttle. There you have it, one cold start. The DDM pipe, obviously very noisy, just frightened my little girl a bit with that. But yep, it is what it is. Loads of suspension travel, rebuilt shocks, brand new air filter, brand new steering servo, many new parts, many alley bits. All the alley bits are very well used. It's good fun.